Hello. Last time we saw how Esteban, Michael, and Frank got ready to go on a camping trip, remember? Well, turns out that they had to cut their trip short because they ate something that didn't sit well in their stomachs. So, as we see how the boys get better, we will learn vocabulary related to health and feelings. Let's watch.
Esteban, you're finally up. How are you, sweetie? How do you feel?
I still feel terrible. It's my stomach. It's a mess.
Oh, do you want me to make you a cup of tea?
No, thank you. I don't think I can drink anything right now. What about you, Michael? How do you feel?